Alright, we made it to Holiday Inn at Orange Lake Resort. It's a golf community basically, and lots of units. We were in a unit on the 3rd floor. Unfortunately, we had some accessibility issues, so they moved us to this little 2-bedroom unit that's on the ground floor and overlooks the golf course. This is room 2327 here. Enter the room right here. On the left we have the kitchen area, a nice little wraparound kitchen. Not quite as nice as the first one we were given, but still very nice. And all of this we'll be comparing to Vacation Village, and if you want to go watch that review, we'll put that in the top of the screen, top right. So we come around the corner here, lots of cabinets, full refrigerator, and we have the stove as well. Full stove as opposed to the hot plate we got. Got a little blender here. Glasses. That's just extra storage up there. This is full plates, more glasses, coffee maker, and a tea kettle here. Some units right there. Some extra knives here. Dishwasher. This is the full right here. This is the sink, dual sink in this unit, and a toaster on the far end. If we turn around in this ground floor unit, we have laundry facilities here right in the kitchen. 3 packets of Tide provided, and then some more space. Looks like some pantry storage space here. As we move around, we see Brittany sneaking in the door for some reason. And here, the first bedroom. This is looks like a 2-queen bedroom. Has 2 queens, nicely made up here. Small TV on the side, but lots of space in this room. As we move forward, this has a bathroom that has a separate lock off, shower, and the toilet. The vanity is here on the outside. And it looks like, interesting, we have the closet here in the area. Has a vacuum cleaner, ironing board, iron, extra blanket, pillows, all the things you need, a few coat hangers. We'll move over here to the dining room. We have a little bit of a breakfast nook here on the side, 3 stools there, and then a full dining room table. Seats up to 6 it looks like, plus 3 more over here. Plenty of space for everybody. High vaulted ceiling in this unit, and pretty wide open and spacious. As we go down, there's a little step down here into the living area. It's like we have couch, 2-person love seat, full 3-person couch, and the singular chair over there, plus a little desk and workspace. We'll go over there and visit in a second. Let's check this real quick. Yes, this is not, well, maybe it is. It looks like a pull-out couch. It definitely is pull-out couch. Room for 2 more right here. So this unit can sleep up to 8. So we turn over here, big old TV in the living room. Like I said, a workstation here, 2 USBs there, and a few plugs, regular AC outlets. Underneath the TV is the safe. It looks like a few information guides for the unit and for the resort. This resort is huge, has a lot of opportunities, has a lot of stuff to do. Lazy rivers, miniature golf courses, 9 different restaurants. Before we go in the master, we'll take a step outside real quick. Screened in porch, these lower level units. Look out right on the golf course. Maybe I'll try and get a shot of this in the morning. But a huge porch area with seating for 2 more. And a couple chaise lounges. And you can barely see it out here, but there's a tee box right outside of our room. We'll head back in here. Finally, we'll tour the master, which is just to the right after we go through the step down here. So we come in, full king bed here. Smaller TV. Wish they had this TV that they, same size as they have in the living room, but that's okay. Chest of drawers right here with a seat. This also has a window and out to the deck area that we were just out on. A couple side tables with the clock radio. Moved through, it looks very clean. The other unit looked like it had replaced carpet. This one does not, but that's okay. Still clean, still useful. That's a side table right here. Interesting thing about this, the vanity is out in the hallway again. So a single vanity there, and a little bit of a deep closet here, it looks like, with the utilities back behind there. Extra towels for you and some coat hangers. Finally, the bath in the main room, the owner's room. And here we go. Shower, not that high up, but it looks nice, renovated. And it does have a jacuzzi tub down here to use. So that's a review. That's everything we see. We'll give a review on this a little later. Brittany and I will review it at a later time after we use the unit, and we'll let you know how everything is here at Holiday Inn Vacation Clubs at Orange Lake.